When tracing natural gas lines, you run the sensor head of the Snooper Mini along the line about 1 cm above the line because natural gas is lighter than air and rises. The leak is located at the point with the highest gas concentration. The distance to the line prevents the sensor head from getting dirty. The sensitivity is still much higher than when using leak detection spray. The natural gas escaping from a possible leak is reliably detected. At rising pipes trace from bottom to top, so the first detection takes place closer to the point of exit than with the opposite direction.